I am Rajkumar Raju Singh, Assistant Director of Physical Education, Tezpur University, Assam. Today, I am going to talk about physical fitness and its components. Let us see what is physical fitness. Physical fitness is defined as a set of attributes that people have or achieve that relates to the ability to perform physical activity by United States Department of Health and Human Service. Or in other words, it is a state of health and well-being, and more especially the ability to perform aspects of sports, occupation, and daily activities. Let us see what does it means to be physically fit. Physically fit is defined as a set of attributes that people have or achieves that relates to the ability to perform physical activity. It is more than being able to run a long distance or lift a lot of weight in the gym. Being fit is not only defined what kind of activity you do, how does you do it, or at what level of intensity. While these are important measures of fitness, they only address single areas. Overall fitness is made up of 5 components. Let us see in this topic. Today we are going to discuss about health related fitness, and these are the 5 objectives. Let us find out what is mean by health related fitness. This is our ability to function efficiently and maintain a healthy life and stay healthy. To keep our body fit, we need health fitness of these 5 components. There are 5 components of health related fitness. First one is body composition, cardiovascular fitness, muscular strength, muscular endurance, and flexibility. Let us see one by one what is mean by this. First, body composition is the relative percentage of body fat to lean body tissue, or amount of body fat expressed as a percentage. It is to the ratio of lean body tissues like muscles and bones to body fat tissue. A person's total body weight may not change over time, but how much is lean mass, muscles, bone, tendons, ligaments? Body composition is important to consider for health and managing your weight. To improve our body composition, all the health related components of fitness and good nutrition are critical, and keeping in mind that nutrition impact exercise and exercise impact nutritional needs. Let's learn how to eat healthy without eliminating all the important nutritional foods. Instead, learning to pick all nutritional and nutritional dense food, the right energy will help your body with maintenance functions, improve your physical work, and help your body rebuild and repair after a strenuous workout. And the next is the cardiovascular fitness. It is the ability of our body to work continuously for extended period of time. Or cardiovascular fitness is sometimes also called cardiorespiratory endurance. It is the ability of our heart, blood vessels, lungs, and blood to deliver oxygen and nutrients to all of our body cells while you are being physically active. Frequency, intensity, times, and types depend on the goals of the individual while doing our activity or our day-to-day life. To improve your cardiovascular endurance, try activity that keep your heart rate elevated at a certain level or in a safer level for a sustained length of time, such as walking, swimming, bicycling. These are some activity which will improve the cardiovascular endurance of the body. Next is the muscular strength. It refers to the maximum amount of force a muscles or muscle group can extend against an opposing force, or it contributes to more efficient movement and reduce your energy cost also. Muscular strength is not only required in the field of sports but also required in our day-to-day life. Thus, like in the diagram we have seen the girls lifting a box. Even in our day-to-day life we have to do our daily activity. Even the lifting of the box or anything in our life, it requires muscular strength. Let us see. It is the amount of force that a muscle can apply in a given contraction. Is also called muscular strength. The key to making your body muscles strong is working them again resistant, whether that be from weight or from or gravitational force of the earth. If you want to gain muscle strength, try exercise such as lifting weight or any type of resistance exercise. Next, muscular endurance. It refers to the ability of the same muscles or muscle group to contract for an extended period of time without undue fatigue. The higher your level of your muscular endurance, the lower your energy cost. In our daily life, the riding bicycle or swimming is one of the best example of the muscular endurance. It is to keep same activity for a certain period of time and continuous contraction of the muscles, that is called a muscular endurance. Or we can say that it is the ability of a muscle to keep working over a period of time. When some people think of muscular endurance, they think like running and cycling. The fact is, muscular endurance is also important to almost any activity that requires any use of physical strength and is one of the most important aspects of physical fitness and performance. And the contraction of the muscles in the gym while doing leg press exercise is also one of the example of muscular endurance. and is the flexibility. Flexibility is the ability to move a body part through a full range of motion. A moderate to high level of flexibility is central to efficient physical movement, like bending on the back, landing front is one of the good example of a good flexibility. Or it can be defined as a ability of a joint to move through their full range of motion. And let's see what are some benefits of the flexibility. It helps to reduce your risks for muscles and bones injuries, improve performance fitness of the body, reduce some type of muscle soreness following physical activity or by doing exercise, improve functional health and fitness. If you are good in flexibility, you also have the injury, your body will not be injury while doing any physical activities. And here I want to summarize my points, that health related fitness can be improved by participating in many physical activity, by improving cardiovascular endurance, by controlling body fat, by improving strength and flexibility. We can keep our body fit and healthy. And healthy living is a combination of good nutrition and regular exercise and positive mental attitude. If these all the three components have combined equivalently, then our body will be healthy, fit and fine. Some of the reference which I have taken for this topic are follow here. Thank you very much for attending my lecture, and if you have any query, you can contact in the given email. Thank you.